Today we are very honored to have Dr. Vasu Minchus to have our interviews. Doctor,
Good to see you.
the big question first. What is collagen?
Well, collagen is a form of protein, and proteins are what we're made of. Our entire body is made up of proteins, but each different kind of protein finds a different home. Now, there are 14 different kinds of collagen in the human body, but the most abundant is type 1 collagen, and that's found in our skin and also in our bones.
Can you explain the term peptide?
A peptide is a fraction of a protein. You see, proteins can be very, very long with many amino acids, but if you want to have the most effective form of protein, you have to chop them up into smaller blocks. Each one of those blocks is called a peptide, and the peptide is the active part of the protein.
What's your research on collagen?
So collagen is a nutrient. And when we first began researching collagen back in the 1980s, we were looking at its effect on the bones and on the skin. This is for type 1 collagen. And what we discovered was that our bones and our skin are linked together by type 1 collagen. So if your skin is beginning to sag, also your bones and the inside of you is beginning to age prematurely. And as we give you collagen to help build up your skin, you're actually building up your health of your entire body.
There's a term called L9. Can you explain it?
So L9 extraction technology is 4 stages that we go through in creating a peptide. The first thing we must do is extract only the protein that we want as our collagen. The second thing is we chop this up into fine strings of amino acids. We wrap them in a protein fat, and then we align those with ionic polarization to help it get into the cell very quickly and remain in the cell where it can attract moisture and strengthen your skin and strengthen your bones.
I realize that there's a formula is different between Western and the Asian. Is it true?
Yes, that's true. What we've discovered from studying the people who live a long time, we call these blue zones because people live to be 100 years of age or older. And what we discovered is the way we metabolize collagen is different. Now, we did this with the Okinawans, who are always living to be 100 years of age and older with very good skin and very strong bones. And we discovered that the fish that they eat and the way they process the collagen is more appropriate for Asians, whereas collagen from other sources, like beef, for example, is more appropriate for Europeans and Westerners.
You just mentioned about fish. Why fish?
So fish has a different chain of amino acids. This is a very unique biochemistry that's more specific to Asians. The fish has a different chain of amino acids, and when we chop those up into peptides, they speak to the DNA, which is what IGEA does. It tests the DNA. So it speaks to the DNA in a way that can help the skin and retain more moisture. We call them moisture magnets because they attract moisture to the skin and make the skin much younger.
Some users say they have better sleep quality after consuming collagens. Why?
Well, there is an amino acid that's in the skin, and it's called glycine. And glycine attracts water to the skin. There are 3 times more glycine in our collagen than in any other source. But glycine is also very important to nourish our sleep. You know, when we're asleep, we have a lot of work to do repairing our whole body and reestablishing our immune system. So glycine helps a person sleep, but glycine also helps repair the collagen in our own skin.
Someone say after they consume the collagens, their body getting firmer. How does it happen?
Yes, well, collagen is what nourishes all connective tissue. So yes, everything gets younger when you take collagen. When we're young, we have an abundance of collagen, and as we age, we get less and less and less. So by taking collagen, by loading up on collagen, our bodies get younger.
How about our joints?
It does benefit, but type 1 collagen, the kind that's found in the skin and the bones, this is the kind of collagen that we've extracted from the fish and created through L9 technology for the Asian market. So the joints will have some benefit of greater fluid, but mostly this is for the skin and then also for your bones.
How about the other part of our body? Is it also good?
Well, we have to remember collagen is throughout our entire body, but especially type 1 collagen is in our skin and in our bones. And that becomes important because you have to remember more Asian women die of osteoporosis than die of breast cancer. So it's important that we realize how we look on the outside is how strong we are on the inside, since it's the same collagen for both things. We need to take type 1 collagen so that we look good on the outside and so that we have strong bones on the inside.
How often we should take collagen and how long we'll start experience the difference?
So the first thing we say about collagen is you need a loading dose, but you can only saturate in about 3 weeks or so. So we say 20 days of a loading dose of collagen, a large dose. And then after that, you only need to take a small amount every day, or at least every day that you want to look good. Every day that you want to look good, you should take a little collagen. But once a year, you should do 20 days of a loading dose to make sure that you are never deficient in collagen peptides.
What is the best time of the day to consume collagen?
Yes, the best time is in the evening, because at night your body has to do the work of repairing everything that we wear down during the daytime. So if you take it at night, you have a long term of slowly absorbing the collagen peptides and then putting them to work while your body is trying to repair itself.
Some users say your product is so powerful. So is any side effects?
There are no side effects to taking the collagen. You have to remember, inside of our metabolism, we have receptors. They're kind of like the chairs that we're sitting in. Once we're sitting in these chairs, no one else can sit in them. Once collagen is in the receptors inside your cells, there's no room for any more collagen. And so all the rest of it is just simply washed away every day. So we never have to worry about an overdose, and we never have to worry about side effects with collagen. Completely natural and safe.
Is this product good for everyone? How about the pregnant lady?
Well, all pregnant ladies should ask their doctor if they're going to take anything, and we encourage them. Always take your collagen to the doctor and make sure that the doctor who knows you best says it's okay. However, this is from food. No one ever says you shouldn't eat food when you're pregnant. You need to eat more. And what about the bones of the baby? Well, the bones of the baby are made from collagen. So we need to make sure that we have enough protein in our system every day. Talk to your doctor, but it should be completely safe.
Here's my last question. Why your company so young America, part of Hygiene?
Well, we really want to keep people looking so young. And so the products that we create are designed for the Asian marketplace. But we call them genoceuticals because the way we manufacture our products speak to our own DNA. Hygiea tests the DNA, especially the DNA of Asian people, to see the difference and to see what it is that we need. So we design our products for this marketplace, for this specific DNA, and Hygiea is expert at testing the DNA. So we thought this was a perfect marriage for us. Very happy to be working with Hygiea and So Young America.
Thank you for your time. I learned a lot today. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.